What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. You join me in my new bit of land that we've just bought, which is very exciting because it means I can finally build a workshop that allows me to fit bikes in, and potentially a car and a ramp and the tools that I need to start working on my bikes properly. Right now it's just a blank canvas. It's literally barren grass. I've got a lot of tip runs to do, but other than that it's pretty blank canvas. So yeah, Honey's here, feeling sorry for herself. She had a grass seed stuck in her ear this morning, so she's been to the vets. She's been sedated. £850 later, a grass seed's been pulled out of her ear, but she's good. The XVS 650, the radial exhaust is finally on, and I'm so pleased. Look how beautiful it looks. Really, honestly, this is probably my favourite bike I've ever owned, and the cheapest bike I've ever bought. So it's got beautiful radial exhaust now, brand new, beautiful, very good quality foot controls that are at the standard feet forward position instead of the extended feet forward position that it was. So now I can actually reach the pedals very easily. Chopper mirrors are still on. I actually really like them, and they're going to stay on. Now it's actually running good, sounding good. I'm going to give it a much better paint job. Still going to stay satin black, but definitely give it a few more coats, rub it back down, probably rub back down the fender where I've filled the body a little bit. I'm going to rub all that down and do it a bit better. I'm going to change the indicators to some matching indicators, hopefully some like high quality aluminium ones, potentially like small ones that go a bit better with the bike, because right now they're not matching and I don't really like the look of them. So just clean her up, tidy her up. I have received today through the post a Kuryakyn air filter hypercharger that I'll quickly show you right now. It's in the car, hold on. So this is very exciting. I stumbled upon this on eBay listing, second hand. Got it for £90 in the end. But it looks absolutely beautiful. It looks a little bit tricky to fit, so I'm going to need to take my time with it. But with that on, the exhaust on, that's going to look like such a cool bike. Yeah, it's got the exhaust, the foot controls, the new air filter, apes. It's literally the most perfect bike. I have sold the Honda VTX, sold it. Too big and heavy for me, that bike. I thought it was going to be my dream bike, but too big and heavy. So that's gone to a new home. Sold it, all working perfectly, shined it up. It's a bloody good bike for someone who was bigger than me. And the guy who bought it was bigger than me, lovely bloke who come and bought it. Suited him down to a T. So that's gone to a new home, so I'm very happy about that. So I've just got the single bike now, and I'm more than happy with having this bike as my main bike. Eventually I'd like to get something fuel injected, but for now I'm going to give my all to this bike, see where we get to, and then potentially get a fuel injected cruiser down the line. stripping it down so I can paint it a little bit better today. Just rubbing everything down again. Just painting it a little bit nicer. Got to rub this down as well. Actually taking a few bits off this time rather than just taping it up, but I'm still going to spray it with them on because I can't be bothered to take them off. But I'll cover all the new exhaust, cover all the chrome bits just so we don't get overspray, and should look a bit better than how it did look up close. It looked alright far away anyway, but if I'm going to be taking it to events and stuff, I want it a little bit more prettier. Anyway, I'm covered in black, so catch you in a bit. Sun shining, bike gleaming. Harley Davidson Norway top. I've wanted this top for ages. Finally popped up on Vinted. Had to bite the bullet. Big old Viking on the front. I'm gonna go for a quick ride. Might meet Austin on his Shadow. Still haven't fit the Hypercharger air filter yet. It's quite complex to do. Haven't had time. Dad life and all that. So I will do that another day. But yeah, need to get out. I haven't ridden for ages, so let's go.
calling down my name. Why don't you hear me want? Shining just like sin. Why don't you hear me wonder?
Thank you. Are they bringing it out?
Tell me, river, where your current flows.
Should pop my head for Doug really, but
why don't you hear me wonder?
I'd like to try and take the baffles out just to see how it sounds.
It does still have a bit of a bubble effect behind it.
I think if I'm just wondering if I took the baffles out, would it give me a deeper tone?
Probably.
Just the old exhaust burnt the hell out of that. I can get new ones, but I don't know if it'll be too shiny if I got new ones. Yeah.
The fellas in Honda love mine.
Did they?
Yeah. Yeah.
It is lovely.
Funny, when I got there, I was like, how long is it going to take? Like, 'cause I might test ride something or try grab a cup of tea. And he was like, let me ask the mechanic. The mechanic come out and he was like, it's a 2008 recall. I've got no idea how long this is going to take.
Fair.
I've never done one. But then they just took the positive back wire off.
Put a new one.
And put a new one on. That was it. Yeah, we'll do we'll do the bars then. I'll buy a size. You need to buy some 1-inch grips.
Just some 1-inch grips, yeah. 1-inch grips. With the throttle attached.
Okay, fine.
You can get them on.
It's lovely, isn't it? Buffalo shape. That's come out. Looks like come out my exhaust. So your rear
2001.
Yeah, it's sick.
Like I'm about to called Dog the Bounty Hunter.
Yeah.
Like I'm about to recover a photo.
Yeah.
2003 sedan in the car park.
Your rear brake, by the way, is like a candle flickering in the wind.
When I press it?
Yeah, you press it. It does shine. I was like, is that on or is it just? I can figure it out.
I can get a nice smoked one that has LEDs in it, and maybe I'll get. Gonna head to High Beach Tea Hut quickly, have a nice little coffee, and haven't got much time. Austin's chatting with the old boys. Sun's out, so yeah, let's go.
Got a black king glitter, came this very morning. Yeah, black king glitter, came this very morning. Said my baby gone away, and my good luck so gone. Folded that paper, laid it on my bed. Folded that paper, laid it on my bed.
Just pulled up because my bike doesn't seem to be going into
Working.
first gear.
Weird.
It gets like stuck, doesn't it?
Yeah.
I think it's like, oh no, it's not touching anything. Maybe it's like a spring or something. It's not like bouncing back like it should. Look,
No,
like it's
that's
like
really slow.
well, that's in.
Do you reckon?
That's in, yeah. But then
Should I turn the ignition on? Have you got a neutral light? 'Cause you know that thing we love about the Triumphs where it's like they're just snappy. They're
yeah,
just
yeah,
click.
yeah.
I don't know if that's right.
We should probably just go home now, shouldn't we? All right. Yeah. Scrap that tea hut idea. Well, I'm gonna just try and get back home. If we avoid like stops, but I'm fine.
Well, what we'll do is we'll turn left at that roundabout, that mini roundabout. We won't bother
Yes.
going
Yeah,
right.
yeah. Yeah. It just sometimes doesn't like to clip into first. So if you know what that is, please let me know. Is it my clutch? Is it some kind of like spring? Yeah. I'm not sure it's to do with my new foot pedals.
No, I think it's a bit funny how it's not. It's like going back really slowly, isn't it?
It's annoying. I cannot be bothered to fucking pull the whole thing.
You could just buy a very nice, lovely Honda Shadow.
Potentially. Kawasaki VN900 me. Alright, don't forget your gloves. I need to, I might put my hoodie back on, just so I can just go straight home.
Yeah, do you want it out of the bag?
Yeah. Which one was it? This one.
The fortune lady told my mama before I saw the sun. Said your boy's gonna love too hard and break.